Welcome to the channel, Passive Rise. We're really glad you tuned in. Today, we're jumping into the lucrative world of high-ticket niche photography and videography. Whether you're an emerging creator, a small business owner, or a photographer wanting to scale, this video walks you through how to master specialized services like commercial drone photography, luxury product shoots, and corporate event videography. These premium services pay well when executed professionally. So this is the kind of work that can seriously boost your revenue if you nail it. Grab a notebook and let's map out how to level up your photography and videography game. But first, let's define what makes a niche high ticket. High-ticket niches are areas where clients expect top-tier production value and are willing to pay premium rates. For commercial drone photography, for instance, industries like real estate, construction, and tourism need cinematic aerial footage to showcase projects and listings. These clients demand professional gear and skilled operators who can deliver polished, broadcast-quality results. So step 1 is understanding both the technology and the market demand. In this first section, let's cover commercial drone work. Drones have changed the game by giving us aerial perspectives that once required costly helicopter shoots. To succeed in aerial cinematography, you've got to be confident flying, understand local regulations, and produce stunning visuals. Start by learning the drone models popular in commercial work. Think reliable, professional platforms with interchangeable cameras and stable gimbals. Choose hardware that fits your client needs. Long flight times, raw capture, and solid stabilization are key. Once you pick the right kit, get familiar with the legal side of things. In many markets, commercial drone pilots must be certified and follow strict rules about where and how you fly. In the US, for example, you'll want to study for the FAA Part 107 exam to operate commercially. Always check for no-fly zones, airspace limitations, and privacy considerations. Getting certified isn't just about compliance. It builds trust with clients and makes you look like a pro. Next, let's talk prep and gear. The foundation of safe drone work is equipment maintenance and redundancy. Before every flight, inspect batteries, gimbal, propellers, and lenses. Carry spare batteries, extra storage, ND filters, and even a backup drone when possible. Plan your shot list up front. Battery life limits your airtime, so scouting locations and setting shot priorities is essential. Scout the site for obstacles like trees, towers, or power lines, and note sun position so you can schedule the best light windows. Composition from the air is about scale and motion. Use wide establishing reveals, smooth tracking, and altitude changes to create cinematic storytelling. Pay attention to golden hour, shadow direction, and how the movement supports the message you're selling. In commercial projects, aerial footage isn't just pretty. It's meant to drive leads, sell properties, or elevate a brand. Learn to frame subjects so every pass adds value to the client's marketing. Once you've got aerials dialed, let's move to luxury product photography. Another high-value niche. Luxury items require meticulous attention to detail and an elevated visual language. Brands in the luxury space sell exclusivity and craftsmanship, so lighting, styling, and retouching must be flawless. Whether you're shooting jewelry, watches, couture, or high-end cars, your mission is to make the product look irresistible. Start with pro lighting setups. Soft, diffused light brings out texture and form without harsh shadows. Use softboxes, diffusion panels, or light tunnels for small reflective pieces. For jewelry, micro-lighting techniques, light tints, and precision reflectors help you capture sparkle and fine detail. Control reflections, eliminate distractions, and work with high-resolution raw capture so you can push detail in post. Composition matters. Position the product to communicate luxury. Negative space, clean backdrops, and tasteful props all help. Experiment with angles and backgrounds. A timepiece may sing on a matte black surface, while textured stone or leather can create an aspirational lifestyle vibe. Always remove anything that competes with the product for attention. Adding lifestyle shots can lift a campaign from catalog to aspiration. Show the product in context. A handbag in an upscale setting, or a watch, or a wrist during a formal event helps customers visualize ownership. These scenarios build brand storytelling that converts. Next, let's switch gears to corporate event videography. another premium service. Corporate clients expect polished coverage for conferences, launches, and galas that reflect their brand identity. Prep is everything in events. Communicate with organizers ahead of time to identify key moments, speakers, and branding opportunities. Know the run of show, so you're in the right place at the right time for speeches, product demos, or award presentations. Check venue lighting in advance and bring backup fixtures if necessary. Many venues have challenging mixed lighting scenarios. Always have a lighting kit ready to match color temperatures and lift subjects when needed. Audio is just as critical as visuals. Invest in quality lavaliers, handheld mix, and a reliable field recorder so you capture interviews and talks cleanly. Run a backup audio source whenever possible to eliminate risk. Be mindful of ambient noise and plan mic placement accordingly. Post-production is where event footage becomes a brand asset. Triage your rushes, pick the strongest moments, and craft a narrative edit that reflects pacing and purpose. Use titles, lower thirds, and branded graphics sparingly to keep things professional. Focus on pacing. Keep the edit engaging and concise so viewers stay focused. Color grade for consistency and polish audio to broadcast standards. The final deliverable should be ready for social, web, and internal use. To wrap up, mastering high-ticket niches requires time, discipline, and a mix of technical and creative skills. Whether you choose aerial cinematography, luxury product photography, or corporate event coverage, keep honing your craft and adapting to client needs. Study trends, refine your portfolio, and offer clear pricing packages that communicate the value you deliver. With the right tools, a pro workflow, and business smarts, you can attract high-paying clients and build a sustainable niche business. Thanks for watching this deep dive into high-ticket photography and videography. If this helped you, hit like and subscribe to Passive Rise for more practical tutorials and industry tips. Drop your questions or experiences in the comments. I'll read them and reply. Keep practicing, keep improving, and most importantly, keep rising. See you in the next video.